Hey history enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel today. We're delving into one of the most iconic naval battles in history, the Battle of Trafalgar. This decisive confrontation took place in the early 19th century off the coast of Spain. It was a clash of titans, a moment where the British Royal Navy showed its might against the combined fleets of France and Spain. The battle's outcome shaped the course of naval warfare and world history. Stay with us as we navigate through the events leading up to this historic battle and its aftermath. The Battle of Trafalgar took place on October 21st, 1805, off the coast of Spain. It was a decisive confrontation between the British Royal Navy, led by Admiral Horatio Nelson, and the combined fleets of France and Spain. This battle didn't occur in a vacuum, though. It was a crucial moment in the Napoleonic Wars, a series of conflicts initiated by Napoleon Bonaparte's ambition to rule over Europe. Key players were many, but at the forefront stood Admiral Nelson leading the British Royal Navy and Admirals Villeneuve and Gravina commanding the Franco-Spanish fleet. The Battle of Trafalgar wasn't just about victory for Britain, it was about asserting naval supremacy. By defeating the Franco-Spanish fleet, Britain could fend off any imminent invasion, ensuring control of the seas. So, with the stage set and stakes high, let's delve into the battle itself and the strategies employed by the British. Nelson employed a bold and unconventional strategy, dividing his fleet into two columns and sailing straight at the enemy line. This audacious move was a drastic departure from the traditional line of battle, a tactic that had dominated naval warfare for centuries. Nelson's strategy, known as the Nelson Touch, was a calculated risk. It aimed to disrupt the Franco-Spanish line, sow confusion, and then engage the enemy in close-quarters combat where the superior British firepower and seamanship could make a decisive difference. The scene must have been both terrifying and exhilarating. Imagine, if you will, the thunderous roar of cannons, the sharp crack of musket fire, the deafening crash of colliding ships. In the midst of this chaos, Nelson's fleet, undeterred, penetrated the enemy line, creating a maelstrom of ship-to-ship combat. The British ships, with their superior firepower and disciplined crews, wreaked havoc on the disoriented Franco-Spanish fleet. Yet victory did not come without a cost. In the heat of battle, Nelson was struck by a French sharpshooter and fell, mortally wounded. His final hours were spent below deck, where he was kept informed of the progress of the battle. Despite his pain, Nelson lived long enough to hear the words he had been waiting for: "Victory is ours." The outcome was a resounding success for the British. They captured or destroyed 22 enemy ships without losing a single one of their own. This triumph not only thwarted Napoleon's plans for a cross-channel invasion, but also asserted the Royal Navy's unrivaled supremacy at sea. More than a victory, Trafalgar was a statement. A statement that echoed across the waves and resonated throughout the ages, heralding the dawn of a new era in naval warfare and sealing Britain's status as the world's preeminent naval power. Trafalgar cemented British naval dominance for decades. The aftermath was a triumph for the Royal Navy as they captured or destroyed 22 enemy ships without losing a single one of their own. This resounding victory not only shattered the Franco-Spanish fleet, but also put a decisive end to Napoleon's dreams of a cross-channel invasion. It sent a clear message: the oceans were Britain's domain. The ripple effects of Trafalgar were felt far beyond the immediate context of the Napoleonic Wars. By ensuring British naval supremacy, it laid the groundwork for the expansion and flourishing of the British Empire. The seas became the highways of British power, facilitating trade, communication, and conquest across vast distances. The Battle of Trafalgar left an indelible mark on history. It's a testament to the strategic brilliance of Admiral Nelson and the might of the Royal Navy. And that's a wrap on our discussion of the Battle of Trafalgar. If you enjoyed this deep dive into history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical content. Your engagement helps us continue bringing to life riveting tales from our shared past. We've got a treasure trove of stories yet to explore, from ancient civilizations to the world wars. So stay tuned, there's always a new historical gem waiting to be unearthed. Join us next time as we explore another fascinating chapter in the annals of history. Thanks for watching.